Have you seen these? This is TactiClip. It's a hair clip and it's in all of my wife's favorite colors, but check this out. It's made from stainless steel, so it will last, and it is tough. And why does that matter? Because it is also a mini wire stripper. It has a serrated edge. It has a nail file. It has a ruler. But it is also a raptor claw. And it hides in place, like it can be used as a keychain. Now, I'm always telling people that anything can be used as a weapon, and when you need to defend yourself, yeah, grab whatever you have, use it. But this, I will recommend this one. You can grab it fast and go for it. You can do anything with this. You can scratch, you can aim, you can grab it and you don't even have to aim.
What? That did some damage.
Sorry, Bob. So get these TactiClip. One of the best self-defense, shiny, fashion, everyday use, pretty things I've ever seen. Now, for the record, I do not have a deal with TactiClip. I'm not getting any money to say this, but I'm also going to be asking them if we can work together, because I know a good thing when I see it. Share this, support these guys, girls. I don't even know. TactiClip.com.